Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to refund a game on PS4. Open up the web browser. Here search Google. Open up the Google. Now search here PlayStation Store Refund. Then click to open its site. Scroll down to PlayStation Store Refund type. You can see the games, add-ons, subscriptions, pre-orders from here. Click on Subscriptions, then tap on Contact PlayStation Support. Select the topic to find the best way to contact them. Or you can use the online assistance in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the PlayStation Support worker. They will be able to help you. Now give them the information they asked for and go through the prompts that they're going to ask. So it's going to introduce them to you from here. What you're going to do is simply give them the information they asked for and go through the prompts that are going to ask you questions to determine what your needs are. After you go through these steps, depending on what you pick, you are going to get a certain result. PlayStation Online Assistant will be a great help to get you a refund. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.